Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial on living a balanced lifestyle, the foundation of true well-being and lasting happiness. In today's world, it's so easy to get caught up in the rush of life. We chase goals, stay glued to our screens, and push ourselves beyond our limits, all while forgetting that real success comes when life is lived in balance. So, let's talk about how to bring that balance back, step by step. We chase goals, stay glued to our screens, and push ourselves beyond our limits, all while forgetting that real success comes when life is lived in balance. So, let's talk about how to bring that balance back, step by step. Right now, many people are living unbalanced lives without even noticing it. Work, family responsibilities, and social pressures have made our lives so fast-paced that rest and reflection seem like luxuries. People eat in a hurry, sleep less, and rarely disconnect from technology. Over time, this lifestyle leads to stress, exhaustion, and even burnout. We end up feeling anxious, distracted, and out of touch with what truly matters. But the truth is, without balance, success feels empty, and happiness doesn't last. A balanced lifestyle means giving the right attention to every area of your life: your body, your mind, your relationships, your work, and your personal growth. It doesn't mean being perfect. It means being intentional. When one area takes too much energy, the others begin to suffer. That's why finding balance helps you feel centered, productive, and peaceful. You start performing better at work, connecting more deeply with loved ones, and living with more meaning. To find this balance, you must first know your priorities and learn to set healthy boundaries that protect your time, energy, and well-being. Here are some simple but powerful steps to help you live more balanced every day. Eat healthy, nourishing meals that energize your body. Get enough sleep. Your mind and body need to recharge. Exercise regularly. Even 15 minutes a day can change your energy levels. Make time for relationships, fun, and relaxation. Limit screen time and include moments of stillness, prayer, or mindfulness. Most importantly, don't try to do everything. Focus on what truly matters. A balanced life is not built overnight. It's shaped by small, daily choices that add up over time. When you start living in balance, you'll feel the transformation. Your energy will rise, stress will fade, your focus will sharpen, and your joy will return. You'll find harmony in your work, relationships, and purpose. Remember, balance is not about doing less. It's about doing what matters most. So take the first step today. Start small, stay consistent, and choose balance over burnout. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring life tutorials. Let's grow together into a healthier, happier, and more balanced world. Hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Victor Muhumuza Ministries.